Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said on Monday that Turkey would support Sweden's joining NATO if the European Union revived membership talks with Ankara.
Türkiye'yi Avrupa Birliği kapısında 50 yılı aşkın zamandır bekleten bu ülkelere buradan sesleniyorum. Önce gelin Türkiye'nin Avrupa Birliği'nde önünü açın. Ondan sonra biz de Finlandiya ile ilgili nasıl onun önünü açtıysak İsveç'in de önünü açalım.
Erdogan told reporters before leaving for Vilnius, Lithuania, where he will attend the NATO summit on July 11th to 12th. Turkey signed an association agreement with the EU's predecessor, European Economic Community, in 1964, applied to join the bloc in 1987, and was granted official candidate status in 1999. Ankara started membership talks with Brussels in 2005, but no breakthrough has been made since then. Turkey has been holding a veto of Sweden's NATO accession on the grounds that the Nordic country harbors members of the outlawed Kurdistan Workers' Party, which is listed as a terror group by Ankara, the EU, and the United States.